cut when you pull too. There you go. There you go. Now you're working it.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Look at the icicles on it.
He'll shake it and blow it.
Why don't we just cut halfway through and then take our foot up there and go like...
Give Carly your turn.
I want to try.
Good work. You did good. Wide feet, bend your knees.
Dad!
Dads don't know anything. She's working it.
Big stroke. Okay. You're shaking the whole tree. Well, so are you.
I'll push you a little bit so you can get it in there.
Or what if we did a two-handed one? Oh, yeah. Wait a second. Wait.
Then
stop.
all you do is pull, you don't push.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, break
Yeah.
some branches first.
All right. I'm going to see. You're going to poke your eye. Mom, you're going to want to be on this side. There you go.
Lemon.
What's the matter? All these little guys are getting you?
Yeah. Dad, now it's coming towards me.
That's good. Hold
This
here.
is a
All right.
very
Just
weak
let him pull and then let her pull. Don't push. There you go. That'll work it. Now you're getting it. When you get close to the end, really work it hard so you get a clean cut. Keep working it. What's the matter?
Can't reach it.
There you go.
I keep getting poked.
Oh, now you can reach it. Pull! Pull! Work together. Pull! There, now you're working it. Look at that.
Feel it.
Go,
Wobbling
go,
towards
go! It's going.
you. Dad, push it that way.
No, it's gonna fall.
Dad, it's gonna fall on him. I'm watching it. Push it that
Trust
way.
me, it'll fall that way.
Push it.
It'll fall that way.
Work it fast.